Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Life of a Wife. Today I'd be sharing with you how to make fish tandoori tikka. And before I get into the video, let me share a little info about my channel. My channel is about lifestyle, home decor, food recipes, travel, home cleaning and recipes about hair, skin and weight loss. So let's get into the video, and before you do that, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos as well. Please do support me. It's gonna be a lot more helpful. Every like of your counts and every subscription that you do counts. Please do turn on the bell notification as well. Hope you support me. So let's get started. Let's get into the video. For fish tikka, I have taken about 250 grams of fish, and I'll be showing you what are the things to add. Here I have taken about half a tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of zira, that is the cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 cashew nuts to add the creaminess, few cloves and some cinnamon. Now I am going to grind this into a paste. Here I have taken about 4 tablespoons of curd and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I am going to add everything to the blender and blend it, and after that I am going to add this mixture into the fish. Let us blend this. I have added some water to make it a little creamier. I have added the curd and other spice mixture to the fish, and I have added about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now we're gonna mix it and let it rest for at least 1 hour. I have mixed the fish well. Now I am going to let it rest for 1 hour. Let the fish marinate for 1 hour. I am going to refrigerate it. You can just keep in the normal fridge, just don't keep it in the freezer. After 1 hour, we're going to take it out, do our kebabs in the oven. Alright guys, it's been 1 hour since our fish tikka has been resting. So after 1 hour, I have kept these tikka on the skewer. Now I am going to grill it till they are golden, and we see those black spots on the kebabs. Now before you do that, make sure that you brush some oil on each of the kebab and make sure that there is a little bit of space between each of the kebabs so that they cook perfectly. Don't forget to brush either butter or oil of your choice to the tikka before you keep it in the oven. Alright guys, I have added the fish tikka to the oven on a turn grill mode for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to check the tikka. After 20 minutes, you can see how tender, juicy and how very well done they are. You can add a little bit of butter and some kala namak That's the rock salt if you want. And taste it. Hope you like my video. Please do like my other videos as well. Please do subscribe to my channel. Every like of yours counts. And until then, take care. Bye bye. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.